how to download Spotify playlist to MP3. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you download Spotify playlist to MP3 on your device. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you have to open the Spotify app, and now from here you'll have to go with the options your library. So it will appear on the bottom. So simply you have to click on your library option, and from here you'll have to click on this plus icon just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Now from here click on playlist. Okay, so from here create a new playlist, and as usual after creating a playlist you will be able to add musics on that playlist. So I will add this random musics on that playlist. Okay, so back from here. Alright, so after you make a playlist and add some musics on that playlist, you'll have to open that playlist, and at the top of that playlist you will got options like download. So simply you have to tap on that download option. To download the Spotify playlist you must have the Spotify premium, so you have to explore the premium feature of Spotify. So this is the easiest and simplest method to download Spotify playlist to your device on MP3. Hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.